question is, may natutunan po ba tayo? Kasi if we have learned something valuable sa tinuro ng Diyos, the question is, are you growing? If not, most likely, we are dying. Okay? So, dalawa lang yan. It's either you are growing or you are dying. Or, tayo po ba ay nag-i-improve or tayo po ay lumalala. Kaya po ang tanong sa amin palagi, ikaw ba sa iyo bang journey sa Panginoon, ikaw ba ay lumago o ikaw ay lumala? So saan po tayo doon? Now, in order for us, para maintindihan natin, ano ba yung inalaw ng Diyos sa pagdaanan natin? Siguro po sa mga characters in the Bible, I'm sure we will all agree na si Job ang isa sa pinakamatindihang pinagdaanan. So let's start from the life of Job. Basahin po natin Job chapter 2, verses 9 to 10 go. Then his wife said to him, "Do you still hold fast your integrity? Curse God and die." But he said to her, "You speak as one of the foolish women speaks. Shall we indeed accept good from God and not accept adversity?" In all this, Job did not sin with his lips. And here's a woman who suffered a lot. And alam niyo, oftentimes, pag binabasa yung Job at nakita yung storya ng asawa niya, nakikita siya as someone who is wicked. Someone who is evil.